Today we got a video from The Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Insane Stalker Begs His Dad to Bail Him Out of Jail.
Dad, you gotta come get me.
The sheriff's department is dispatched to investigate a stalking case involving a T-Mobile customer who has been aggressively harassing an employee and making violent threats against her. The two had no prior relationship beyond his status as a customer. Earlier that morning, he sent her messages stating he intended to kill her at the T-Mobile store.
Alrighty, ma'am. How you doing? Could be better, right?
Can be.
Yeah, could be better. Can I take a look at the messages real quick?
You can read all of them. That's just one thread.
Yeah.
The other threads didn't come today, but I did submit them to the other ones to the evidence site.
Evidence link?
Yeah.
Gotcha, okay.
Yeah, but wait, hold on. Ooh. Oh boy. Nah, that's crazy. I'm not saying it, you know what I'm saying? You know, the words and everything, you know, the algorithm will start tweaking on me. You know how YouTube would get me together, man, but damn. Yeah, that's some serious stuff right there, man.
You can read all of them. That's just one thread.
Yeah.
The other threads didn't come today, but I did submit them to the other ones to the evidence site.
Evidence link?
Yeah.
Gotcha, okay. Have you had any contact with him outside of work?
No.
Okay, so you've never been to his house or anything like that?
No, never hung out with him outside of work. Nothing outside of work.
Okay.
Wow.
Here's this. I'm gonna have you fill out an affidavit for me. So what you told me on the phone was that obviously the threats to kill you, and you had to change your job. You could add all the details on there. You could be as detailed as you want to be on this. Okay.
I wrote one like 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Of the same thing. Do I write that all again?
That was for stalking. Now
Okay.
it's different charges.
Okay.
So if I can get you on that now and I go looking for him now, I can arrest him.
Okay.
Pretty much based on those messages. Right?
Like immediately?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but I
Thank
have
God.
to do a little bit of digging to see where I can find them.
Okay.
But I gotta get you on this affidavit, okay?
Yeah, I'll write the whole thing.
Yeah, that's fine. So we have the thread. Okay. All right, we have everything we need as of right now. So, obviously, you could go to work, and if he shows up or anything like that, call the local police department over there.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I have everything I need, so I'm gonna go over there now, see if I can make contact with him. I also have the injunction paperwork being printed now,
Okay,
so hopefully
perfect.
I can serve him that paper too.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so, okay.
Yes, thank you so
Do you
much.
have any questions?
No, it makes me feel a little bit better. I'm still scared,
Yeah,
but
I got you. Yeah, we'll do our best, okay? You know what? I'll reach out to you if I'm able to pick him up, okay?
Can you?
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
That's cool.
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Have a
All
good
right,
day.
you too.
Since the stalker gave his full name in the messages, and the cops find he had been in trouble with the law multiple times, they pay him a visit at home.
Yeah, he looked like Looney Tunes, man. Look at this guy.
Find he had been in trouble with the law multiple times, they pay him a visit at home.
We're just here to talk to Andrew.
What's the matter?
We just gotta talk to him real quick about a case.
A case?
Yes, sir. Is he
That's my
here?
puppy.
I got you, man. No worries. He's not going
He's not
anywhere.
in trouble, right?
Well, we just gotta talk to him, okay?
Okay. I'll tell him. Jet, stay right there.
What's his name?
Jet.
Jack?
Jet. J-E-T.
Jet. Okay.
My losing football team.
Oh, Lord.
Hold on.
All right, sir. Thank you.
You called the police, did they?
No.
Okay. Hey, girl.
Yeah, so she won't give him none. So I mean, he got the number. So she gave him the number. You know, he got the number. But you know, he didn't get they didn't even hang out outside of the, you know, and he done went nuts. Come on, man. He on the pace of like, if I can't have you, nobody can, and that's a dangerous game, man. She gotta be careful.
Girl. How you doing?
He's nuts.
26, thank you.
Am I getting arrested? Is he getting arrested?
Well, I gotta talk to him, man. I gotta figure out something real quick.
All right, no problem.
All right, Andrew, come out here real quick, man. You all right?
I got you.
Anything in your pockets, dude?
Yeah, let me put it in the
All right,
house.
hold on, Andrew. We haven't even spoken to you yet, man. What's going on?
Nothing. What's going on?
All right, come over here. I'll
Am I
talk.
getting arrested, sir?
Dude, let me talk to you first.
Sure, calm down. I don't know why we're here. Yes, sir.
All right, man. I'm gonna read you your rights real quick, okay?
I'm getting arrested?
I'm gonna
Dad,
read
you gotta
your
bomb
rights.
me out, Dad. Come bomb me out,
Hey,
Dad.
he needs to read this so he can ask you questions.
Yeah, he's in the bomb. I'm getting arrested.
All right, Andrew, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can.
Dad, you gotta bomb me out.
In the court of law.
You bomb me out?
You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with
See, and that's part of the problem. Every time he get in trouble, daddy coming to the rescue.
you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. If you wish,
Dad, you gotta come bomb me out. Please don't leave me in there, Dad.
Rights,
Please,
not
Dad.
answer any questions or make
You're gonna
any
bomb me out?
statements.
You promise you promise you're gonna get me out?
Let
You
him
promise?
Explain it to
listen.
you. You understand your rights, man?
Yes.
Okay, the reason I'm here is because Ashley, okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, what's going on with Ashley?
Oh, I didn't, nothing.
Don't start stuttering now.
Anything to her.
Okay. You haven't said anything
No,
to
I haven't said
Ashley?
anything to Ashley.
Okay, you haven't sent her any messages or
No,
anything like
nothing,
that?
nothing.
Okay. So where do you know her from?
I know her from the T-Mobile store.
The T-Mobile store?
Yeah. I haven't sent her any messages, nothing.
You haven't sent her a message?
No, nothing.
Okay. So all that stuff is made up?
Made up, yeah.
Okay.
It's all made up.
I mean, in the messages, man, you're texting your name, you're saying...
I didn't send her anything.
You didn't send her anything?
No.
Okay. So how do you communicate with her?
I don't communicate with her. I don't talk to her.
You don't talk to her at all?
No, at all.
Okay. When was the last time you've been to the T-Mobile store?
Not in a while. Over a year ago.
Over a year ago?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how do you just remember her name like that? Ashley?
How does she remember mine?
Okay. All right, man. Did you say anything about going to the T-Mobile
I've
store
never
today?
talked. No, I never talked.
Putting
to her.
hands on her?
Never.
You never talked to her?
Never.
Okay. All right, dude. Well, based on everything I got, man,
Yep.
and the messages you've been sending,
I never sent her
Okay.
any messages.
well, you literally stated your name in the messages.
I didn't do that. I didn't send. That's a fake. I didn't send no. I didn't put my name in no messages.
Okay, that wasn't you?
No.
Okay, I got you.
Which that do sound, I'm not gonna lie, that do sound kind of crazy to put your whole name in the messages like that. Like, who texts like that? I will unalive you at T-Mobile. It's Andrew Vincent Frank Jr. I'm going to come to the store and do it to you, man. That, like, who even messages like that? That is, you know, he ain't got no, he got a couple screws loose, man.
Do that. I didn't send. That's a fake. I didn't send no. I didn't put my name in no messages.
Okay, that wasn't you?
No.
Okay.
Nah, that wasn't him.
All right, dude. Well, based on what I got, man, I'm going to take you, okay? Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Dad, you gotta come get me.
What is he getting arrested for?
What's the charges?
Aggravated stalking
Aggravated stalking
and written threats to kill.
and written threats to kill. You gotta come bomb me out, Dad.
Put your hands like...
You're gonna come get
Put
me?
your hands out for me.
All right. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
You need to get help.
I will. Please come get me. Bomb me out right now. You're gonna come get.
Right now, you're not even at the. You want your shoes?
Yeah, please.
Can you get some shoes for him, please,
Yeah,
sir?
please, Dad. Could you follow us down?
No.
Dad, you gotta follow us.
When you get there.
I can't. You gotta follow me down now. Oh my God.
35 cents, I believe you can show that.
God, man.
Check 1015 at the same. Anything on you, man?
Have my phone and my vape. You can take it out. Oh my
Phone,
God.
yeah, we might need to download.
I
We
didn't
might
send
need to
no
download them
messages to her,
files.
though. Nothing. Aggravated stalking and written threats. How much is the bond gonna be? Do you know how much the bond will be for that?
We'll figure that out. I'll let you know.
Two felonies, so.
2 felonies, man.
How much do you think it's gonna be? An attempted murder?
Nobody said attempted murder. Written threats to kill.
Is that a big? That's a huge thing?
They changed the bond schedule, so he'll have to look.
Yeah, I have to look and let you know. I'll give you all the information you need. I'll give you all the info you need. Don't hurt yourself,
Dad,
man.
please come get me.
Don't need you hurting yourself.
Please, Dad, you gotta just follow me. Call
I'm
bondsman.
not following you right now.
Please, Dad. Dad, you're not gonna leave me overnight, right?
Just stop it. Okay?
Please, don't leave me overnight, Dad. Dad, you promise
I don't need my shoes.
you
Scared
promise
to
you're gonna
death.
come get me?
Yeah.
You
To
promise.
go see a psychiatrist?
Yes, I promise. As soon as we get out. I promise, Dad. Please don't leave me, Dad. Dad. Huh? Dad, you're gonna leave me in there?
All right.
Please don't leave
I
me, Dad.
would.
You want to bring
You want to bring your stuff with you?
You can leave it.
Leave
the
all
phone
your stuff, your
too?
phone, all that?
Yeah, everything.
All right.
Dad, please.
I will. Just go and we'll get this done.
Aggravated story.
Yeah, man. So we've had
How big is it?
repeated phone calls, repeated text messages. Okay. I mean, you don't have to lie to us, man. I mean, you know, you have to see for it, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
So there's
He's
also
scared to
reports
death to
of
go in
you
there,
going
boy.
to that location several times. That's
I didn't go there.
There's reports of it, man, from different departments, from different police departments. Okay, I mean, listen, man. You said you haven't seen
How
her
much
in
do
a
you think
year.
this bond is gonna be, in your opinion?
Well, it could be over 5,000.
Okay,
Okay,
that's not bad.
all right.
That's
Yeah, but
about
you ain't
the size
paying
you think
for
it'll
it.
be?
It's about that. Yes,
It's about that.
it's about that.
So 500.
You might actually have no bond for today. To
Are
be
you
honest with
serious?
you, based on the charges.
Are you kidding me?
But once you get to see a judge, they'll
Are you kidding me?
make a recommendation.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Based on those charges.
Oh my God.
All right, you'll get to see a judge tomorrow morning.
So I won't be no bond today?
Yeah, most likely no bond.
Oh my God, man.
I'll let you know in a few minutes.
Oh my God.
Quick, man, do you give us consent to go through your phone so we could say yes or
Yeah.
no that you didn't text her?
Yes, you can go
You
through
give
it.
us
Yes,
consent?
yes.
Okay, what app are you using on there?
I don't use any app.
You don't use any app?
No,
Okay. All right, give me a sec, okay?
no problem. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yeah, but they gonna have to download that stuff.
Okay. All right, so just to make it clear to you, okay?
We'll go through. I'll show you my text messages.
No, I'm saying I would have to collect your phone and take it to evidence, and then they would have to process the phone.
You can't do it right here?
No, it'll be something that we take in, they process it, and then they see if you've ever contacted her or not.
What do you mean they open the phone themselves?
Yes,
Without me there?
yes, it'll be evidence. Our evidence will do that.
Oh no, I don't want you to take the phone now.
Okay.
No phone.
All right.
They'll get
It's
a
up to you,
warrant
man. That's
for
why
it.
I asked.
Yeah, no,
All right.
no phone.
All right.
After pleading with his father to bail him out, he was charged with aggravated stalking and making written threats to kill or cause bodily injury. His father declined, and he remains in jail.
W dad, man. W dad. Now that's W dad. If I was his father, I'm not bailing you out, man. I'm not. You know why? Because this is not your first time getting in trouble. You've constantly been getting in trouble. No. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. You're never gonna learn if I just keep bailing you out, getting you a lawyer, getting you, like, every time you come out, you mess up and you causing me money. Oh, bail is $5,000. Okay, so it might be $500. You not paying that. Your dad is. Oh, that's not bad. Like, what? W dad, man. WWW, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You know, your child get in trouble the first time. All right. You know what I mean? You know, you don't want to leave him in there. You know what I mean? You know, go get him. Maybe even the second time. Maybe even the second. All right. You know, but 3, 4, 5 different times? Nah. You no. You gonna have to handle this on your own. You gotta handle this on your own. I'm not. No. Take it up with your mama, man. Cause it ain't going down over here, man. You get out of jail free card with me, man, and that's it. You done burnt that bridge. It's over. Yeah, that's, man, good job. Good job, Dad. But anyway, this guy, come on, man. He's the type of guy that you could tell if a girl is not feeling him or don't want to give him none, he'll take it. That's the impression that I get from him. You know, can't take no for an answer. If he chilling with a chick and it's time to go to fourth base, you know what I mean? Hey, it's time to get down. And she like, nah. Hey, he might take it. That's this guy is not, he not, you know, he not normal. He's not normal, man. This is bad right here. You gonna offer because she don't want to hang out with you? Like, what the? Come on. But there was something else I wanted to say too, but I forget. My brain just be moving a little slow today. You know what I mean? I forget what I want to say, man. Yeah, I forget. But anyways, that's the end of the video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side, man. Wait. I remember now. I remember. This guy, they've been torturing him in jail. He's been there multiple times. And the way that he's acting, he don't want to even stay in there for a night. Boy, they've been torturing him in there. Torturing him. He's got nightmares, can't sleep. They really been torturing that boy in there. That's what I wanted to say. Yep, that's what I wanted to say, man. They've been torturing him, man. Straight. You see how he's whining and crying and, Dad, you gotta get me in. Or you probably did something or whatever, and them boys is in there waiting for you. Them wolves is in there. Yeah, they waiting for you. You a cub. Them lions is in there. Oh yeah. That's what I wanted to say. Now we can end the video. Go ahead.